is often said that karma comes for evil people and give them their deserts. But the old adage may not be true after all. Those people who spurn and hurt you, betray and pierce you deep, pushing you to the wall, defenseless and broken. Those people who derive pleasure in hurting and destroying you and go on to live their best life afterwards. Those ones, the karma that you so dearly wait for. Because truth be told, that karma will never come. We need all the information that we can gather. Because the battle has been drawn.
Babe? Babe?
Hi.
Careful. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm sorry. It slipped off my hands. I can be clumsy sometimes. I'm just going to.
Careful. Oh, okay.
Let me just.
No, I got you a favorite. I'm sure you'd like it. So, chocolate. I just want you to know that I love you and I care about you. Bye.
Hello.
Jenny, what is it? Can you just stop calling my phone, please? You're disturbing me. What is it?
You are supposed to get married. You never even explained anything to me. All of a sudden, you don't want to get married to me no more. What have I done to you? What did I do to you? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Tenny, talk to me, what is it?
It's me. He doesn't even want to talk to me. I don't get it. I don't get why Tayo has chosen to break up with me.
Sis, it has always been obvious that he always had eyes on that girl. If a man chooses to break up with you or end things, it doesn't define you. That's his problem.
His life was just beginning until it was snatched away by that anonymous hit-and-run car. It saddens me.
I
I know how much Kay meant to you.
Kay was Tayo's best friend. But in reality, he was much more than that. He was a member of this home. Especially when Kunle and Tayo are far off. He fills that space. More like my third child.
May his soul rest down.
Amen. Thank you.
You know why I'm here, Mom? Tayo may be getting engaged to Whitney, but...
Jasmine. Don't doubt my antics. That girl will never be my daughter-in-law. Not while I live.
I really admire your ardor. I'd love to be as confident as you are when I'm 50.
To be like me, you have to have guts. You're the woman I want for my son, Tayo.
Awesome.
No other lady will take that place.
Can you imagine what her reaction will be when she finds out we have this huge secret?
What matters is telling Tayo the big secret when the time comes. Right. I'm sure you would love to take something.
Oh no, Mom. I'm fine. Thank you.
Hey, you come here. Yeah? You walk into my house and out. And I don't even know. You know why? You're just like a shadow. It must have been hell living alone in that house for 2 years after losing your parents.
Excuse me.
How dare you walk out on me while I'm still talking? What is wrong with you? Why are you so rude?
Hey, babe.
Mom. How long do you want to treat him like he's not one of us?
He is not one of us and he's never going to be.
He's our cousin. Wait, and that makes him family.
Okay, you listen to me. You gave him permission to live here. I never did.
If that would make you happy, then first thing tomorrow I will leave.
Oh, make it now, please.
Listen, you're going nowhere. Mom, you're not going to do anything like that.
Tayo.
Leo. I don't care. I mean, you've been here for close to a year now, and you've been closer to me than a brother.
You're looking moody. Do you want to share?
I'm just messed up right now and in a deep fix. My ex, Danny, won't stop calling me. Jasmine, I don't even know why she's here in the first place. And
And what?
I keep going back to something I shouldn't go back to. I'm having a tryst with Tenny's sister, Scarlett.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, I know. Whitney would always refuse me to touch her.
But that's not enough justification. I mean, these things could spiral out of control. And it will even get messier than you can ever imagine. You have to stop it.
I'll stop it. I know I'll stop it.
It baffles me how young men of these days have bad taste in women. Women who do nothing but think of themselves. They can't even cook. Speaking of cooking, you wanna guess who prepared this meal?
I prepared this palatable and scintillating meal for all of us. I mean, all of us. I wasn't aware that some flea bag will be joining us.
Are you out of your mind? What's the meaning of that? I don't even know we invited you in the first place, Jasmine.
The one who is not invited is... Ah!
Why would you hit him like that? It's quite disrespectful.
Oh, you are also interested in your fiance's cousin. Is that why you're defending him?
Yes, of course. I'm sure she's into younger guys as well. Cougar.
Mom! Jasmine.
No, they really do not provoke me. I'll speak to you.
Babe, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, baby. Babe, listen,
On top of being disrespectful, she's also mannerless.
Did you see how she just challenged your mother?
Are you?
What nerves?
Really, that was just uncalled for.
You don't tell me what is uncalled for.
Okay.
Just imagine. You! Admit it. Admit you splashed that water on me on purpose so I could go berserk and create a scene out there.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Then you're leaving my house right now. You, this unfortunate soul who's been clinching on us to spread his bad luck.
Now, why are you always picking on this guy? Just leave him alone.
Listen, Mom. He's going nowhere. And let this be the last time you would ever speak to my fiancé like that.
Tayo! How dare you talk to me with such attitude?
One more tantrum, and you would never, ever see me in your entire life.
Okay. Ma'am.
Did she lay her hands on you again? Did she?
No, she didn't. But you shouldn't have done that. That would get them suspecting us already.
We are running out of time. We have no time.
Do you think it's time? Because there's no day that I stay back in that house and I don't wish living there. It's 1 year already.
I will do whatever it takes to get my pound of flesh from that family. Whatever it takes. Now, you know what? You are right. No one needs to know that you are my accomplice.
Hello?
I am Leo Ikoko, your first cousin.
So, what are you doing here? And I don't think we've met you before. Have we met him before?
I lost my parents to a fire accident. And I don't have anywhere else to go. So I came to seek for your help. Please help me.
All right then, come in.
Thank you.
Yeah, come in.
Are you sure we can do this till the end?
I must get my pound of flesh. Come with me.
What about Tayo? He's already in love with you. And what are you going to do about that?
Babe? Babe? I heard a voice. Were you conversing with someone?
Conversing with some. Oh, yeah. It was this silly video I was watching on Instagram.
Whitney.
Yes.
Whitney. I want to be close to you. I want to feel your touch tonight.
Tayo, please. Tayo.
Do you feel irritated by me?
Of course not. Why would you say so?
Because you keep rejecting me. And I believe this is beyond a wedding night vow.
I can't.
You know, it's okay. I think you like your space. Our engagement is coming up soon, but yet you feel like a total stranger to me.
What are you saying? Do you want to call off the...
No. I won't do that. Never. Whitney, I love you very much. And I care about you. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Where are you going?
I'll go see a friend. Maybe I'll spend the night there.
The battle starts now.
Missed you, Scarlett.
I missed you so much. But are you sure we're safe here?
Yeah. No one knows about this tryst, okay? Come here.
Just what we needed.
Make sure you get a good shot.
Is that enough? You think so?
Scarlett, you look so happy.
Oh, of course I am. Do you want to know why?
Tell me something sweet.
Well, I found a man so sweet and cautious. He cares so much about me, although he's quite a fastidious one.
You found a man in a twinkle of an eye.
Of course.
Don't be so naive. Don't tell me you didn't learn a thing or two from my ordeal. How can you just trust a man just like that?
Sis, it's not always like that. It's not always like that.
Really? Maybe you scream on the rules of love.
Well, what can I say? When a man loves a woman, he goes for what he wants. You can't blame me. If a man doesn't like Miss A, he's definitely gonna like Miss B. Or even Miss C. Anyways, let me get some water. I feel so good. So good.
Please, that's not even my problem. Who is this? Hello?
Today is our engagement.
Tayo.
And then she doesn't want any of her friends or my friends around. Leo, I feel so terrible.
How do you mean you feel terrible? I thought this was what you always wanted. Or does the choice of having a quiet dinner affect you in any way?
No. No, it's not that. We had sex. I feel so empty and worn out. Leo, I shouldn't be doing this. I shouldn't be having sex with her. I'm just so scared. Should Whitney or Tenny find out about this?
Then you have to stop it already. I mean, nothing goes hidden forever. Although your secret is safe with me, but you have to stop it.
Aha! Secret, huh? You know, speaking about secrets, what are you both talking about? You're planning to sell my father's house, huh?
Whitney. Waiting on what not?
I was looking for something.
Whitney! Whitney! Why did you have to send me messages? Why did you have to call me with an unknown number? How dare you send me unfounded lies?
If you believe your lies, then why are you here?
Because you're desperately trying to shift yourself from this. Oh, you think I didn't know that it was you who took Ty away from me? Admit it!
Tenny. You really believe that? If you honestly, in your heart of hearts, believe that I stole Tayo from you, then why haven't you confronted me ever since? Why are you only confronting me now?
Because you...
Get out. Get out. If you are not going to listen to what I have to say, then you have no business being here. Leave. I thought so.
Okay. Spill it. What do you have to say?
That neither I nor Jasmine is responsible for your mysterious breakup with Tayo. I mean, he hasn't even had sex with me yet.
How is that my business?
I'll tell you. A picture, they say, is worth 1,000 words. That is the architect of your misfortune.
No. No. This can't be. No.
Oh, yes, it is.
No.
She did it to spite you. And he felt guilty afterwards. So, he broke up with you. But he couldn't bear the shame, the guilt of sleeping with two sisters. And then he decided to seek a neutral girl. But like they say, old sins have long shadows. And now, he is back to his old habits. Scarlett, your sister.
Why are you doing this? He's supposed to be your fiancé. And you have the pretense of selling him out. You must think I'm stupid, do you? What do you stand to gain from this? What?
My pound of flesh. I want him to pay for everything that he has done to me. Oh yes, I am a victim in this matter as well. And I have come to get my revenge. So, if you want, you and I can confront him together.
What did he do to you?
It's none of your business. Are you in or out? Later tonight, he's going to see Scarlett again. I'll send you an address. Meet me there, and we can both confront him together. The second plot is almost completed. Send Scarlett the message from Tayo's phone and delete.
Yo. You've been quite strange for the past few days.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Why is he acting so... He's acting so strange.
Well. Are we mourning someone?
I'm also wondering, such a bad taste of color on a luminous day.
Mom.
Thanks for your compliment.
Excuse you.
Mom, we talked about this.
You know, maybe it's our way of adding color and spice to everything.
I'm not interested in that kind of spice or color, please.
That is notwithstanding. Today is going to be the happiest day of my life.
Tayo, darling. I was wondering if I could tell you something.
It's a big secret.
That will shake the entire day.
Okay, fine. Can we keep this secret till later, please?
Oh no, please.
Let's spill.
Yes.
Listen, I'm honestly, I'm not interested in any secrets.
But son, you...
Mom, I said I'm not interested in any secret. I don't even know why you brought this lady here in the first place. You know how troublesome she gets.
Well, like...
Listen,
Baby, the secret is...
Hey.
What's wrong?
Guys, I have to be somewhere now, okay? Yeah.
Really?
Babe, just 15 minutes, I'll be back, okay?
Yeah, bro, today's engagement. Why are you trading it for something
Are
else?
you deaf? I said I'll be back shortly. It's an emergency.
What's happening,
Mom,
Tayo?
I'll be back.
And where is Leo?
I don't know. Just went to the ATM to withdraw money. He should be back shortly.
Excuse me.
Of course.
It's like you people don't like this food. Just give me your meat if you don't like the food. I'll gladly eat it.
Tayo.
So I guess I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Right, come here. See you soon, okay?
Okay. Aren't you forgetting something? You sure you're not forgetting anything?
No, fine. I have my phone.
Oh, maybe you left it on the table. Let me go and get it.
No, I'll get it, no problem. Okay. I didn't find it.
How come? Did you check properly?
Yeah, I did. Is your phone here? Can you just go?
No, I left it inside. You know what? Let me... Hold on. What's that?
It's the phone.
You should be more careful.
Yeah, I will be. Thank you.
Bye. Okay.
Bye.
See you soon. You said 15 minutes, right?
What are you doing here? You're waiting for him, aren't you? You lying lish. You trash!
Wait, what are you talking about?
Spare me your sentiment yourself! When you decided to sleep with my man, when you decided to destroy my life!
You are delirious.
You stole my man from me!
How dare you! He's not your man!
He was my man! You stole him from me!
Oh, maybe, just maybe he was tired. Tired of your miserable self. Tired of your low self-esteem. Don't you ever!
How is it going? Great. The first step to winning your enemies: divide and conquer.
Hello.
Hi, Kalu.
You know you really enjoy being in your world. Alone, secluded, don't you?
You're right. Because most times, it is the safest place to be. In a darkened, putrid world.
Yeah, you're right. Do you love my brother? Tayo?
Do you doubt that?
No,
You know, love isn't all that matters. So, why don't we prepare? Because tonight the banquet is going to be large and enormous.
The banquet?
Mm-hmm.
You know it's just the 6 of us, except you invited any of your friends. And speaking about friends, I doubt if you have one.
There's no such thing as friends. Except people that want to hurt you.
Sweet.
Scarlett. Scarlett. Please, Scarlett, don't do this, please. Scarlett. Somebody help me! Somebody! Scarlett, please don't do this. Scarlett, please. Please don't do this. Don't do this to me. Somebody!
Tenny!
Hello?
His numbers are not going through and it gets me panicky.
Jasmine, can you stop already? You want to give me heart attack? You're raising my blood pressure to the rooftop.
Mom, please. Come on, stop talking like that, okay?
Leo is not back yet, and he's not picking his calls. At least he'll give us clues as to Tayo's whereabouts.
The worst part of it all is that bitch is just seated upstairs, not moved, not doing anything.
And that's because nothing is wrong. You are just making a mountain out of a molehill.
Oh, please. Someone who claims to love him as much as she does should at least show some iota of care.
Oh, I can see how much you love him.
Can you two stop? Can you two just stop? We need to think. Let's think. Ha! What are you doing with my son's picture?
He's my fiancé, remember? I have a right to...
He's not your fiancé yet. And you have no right snooping around his room. In my house to start with.
Mrs. Bimbo Ikoko, what exactly do you have against me? Because you've been a needle to my skin ever since you met me.
You're trying to ensnare my son to your web of guidance. because he's rich and you have no penny attached to your name. Now listen. Come back here, I'm still talking to you. I'm talking to you, don't you walk out on me. Whitney, how dare you walk out on me when I'm talking to you? I'm talking to you. Get your hands off me. You want to disrespect me or you want to raise your hands on me? You are nothing but bad luck. On your engagement dinner, see what happens. Bad omen. Maybe he has realized the kind of woman you are and changed his mind.
Well, if that is what he wants, then I have no problem with it. You just leave me alone. You hear me?
You! Where have you been?
I was literally at every ATM trying to get money for your orphanage visitation tomorrow.
Where are these people, for heavens? What is going on here?
Nothing, Mom. He was just stepping out.
I'm stepping out.
Just stepping out. Anyway, did you see my phone?
Yeah, Mom, you gave it to me before we started eating. Remember?
Oh.
Yeah.
Dementia.
Mom, wait.
Everything good? It was well orchestrated by your hitman. They should get the news anytime from now. Good. What's happening?
I can't stand her. She practically wants to...
Do you think she suspects anything?
Subconsciously, yes. But consciously, far from it.
Open up! Who's it?
It's Tayo! It's Tayo!
What is getting you?
Tayo, what is the problem?
Tayo.
Is this odd?
Hey, don't touch me, okay? I don't want any of you implicated in this.
Well, okay, really, what's going on? You're scaring us right now.
Tayo, why your shirt and hand stained with blood?
I was framed, okay?
Framed? For what?
For the mother of Tenny and Scarlett. I was caught in the middle of it all, okay? I don't know who's trying to frame me. I don't know who's trying to hurt me, but the police they caught me. They caught me carrying Tenny dead. I didn't do it.
Is this a joke or you're trying to prank us?
It's a joke.
Is it? Maybe it's a dream. You know, I think we should just...
Let's go.
Hold on! Who is that?
The police, right? What's happening? How am I supposed to know? The police now, they were trailing me.
Oh! Hey, good evening. Who are you and who are you looking for?
I thought you said they had him arrested.
I had to flee the scene because it wasn't safe for me.
He's meant to be in custody. I want him behind bars. How the hell did he escape?
I don't know. I have no idea. Do you want us to turn him?
Of course not. It will totally jeopardize our plans. Damn, this is not good.
A certain man was trailed in here.
He's wearing a purple t-shirt and a black pants. Where is he?
I don't know who or what you're talking about. He's not here.
Madam, are you trying to hide the criminal?
I said, nobody like that here. Nobody came in here. Excuse me. You can... This is infringement of our rights.
We need to see a warrant. You can't just barge in here to ambush.
Madam, can you allow us to do our job? We are here because the young man that ran into this house was caught red-handed in the murder scene of 2 young girls. We got a call from the neighborhood and we are sure he's here.
And you cannot halt us because we know he's here.
Yes.
If you try to stop us, we are going to arrest you for aiding and abetting a murderer.
We don't know what you're talking about, so please leave.
For that, we need to be sure. Follow me.
Sure.
See. You can't do this. Officers, you have no right to do this.
You can't beg into my house like that. You're not criminal. This is a private residence. Officers!
I just heard a noise. Are there other people in this house?
Is someone in this room?
No. Yes. I don't know.
Move aside.
What?
Madam, I said move aside! Move aside. Move aside, I say.
Okay, easy.
I don't think there's anyone here.
Yeah. As you
I
can
don't think
see,
the person we are looking for is here.
Right.
there's no one here.
Obviously.
And, I mean, what will I gain having a criminal in my house? I am a very respectable woman of the society.
Clearly.
And this whole thing is an insult to my personality and to the memory of my late husband.
Indeed.
What all this?
We'll be leaving now, madam. But if I find out that you're hiding the murderer here, trust me, you will get it very hot from us. Let's go.
That was nerve-wracking.
Leo, where were you earlier on while Tayo was away?
You've asked me before, and I told you that I was literally at every ATM trying to get money for your orphanage visitation tomorrow. Why do you keep asking me?
Listen, if anything happens to my son, I'm going to sue you.
I beg your pardon?
What's really happening? I don't understand what's happening anymore.
Have you lost your memory? Huh? Didn't you hear him? Telling the woman he was supposed to marry and her sister Scarlett were both murdered, and he's being framed for it. That's what happened.
Mom, please, stop.
Listen, that's not even all. All right, the message Tenny sent me on my phone, inviting me over, suddenly just disappeared from my phone.
I beg your pardon.
The message disappeared. Listen, I sincerely think that someone is trying to play a prank on us.
What message was that? And how are you sure that message didn't come from the killer?
No, because I saw him leave the crime scene. Okay, maybe I should just tell the police exactly what I saw.
Nah, bruv. Trust me, they will say you're making this up and they will find a way to get to you. And that's you just walking into the devil's nest.
Ha! My God.
But I can't just keep running away.
Do you have anyone you're suspicious of?
Yeah. Someone was there. All right? Because I saw a shadow scamper just after the incident.
A shadow, you say? Yeah. Maybe that shadow is actually behind everything.
Please, Whitney, where is she? She's been staying away from me lately. Does she actually think I'm guilty?
Forget about that. Please just go in and take care of yourself.
Tyler, you look a mess. Come, freshen up.
Whitney, do you know if she's found out about my affair with Scarlett?
Whitney has been in shock and she's been crying all the time.
Where is she?
She's in your room.
You can run as long as you want, mister. But sooner rather than later, you are going to be so sorry. Do you doubt my devil's tree? It's almost time to come out of the mask and reveal my true self. The hour is near, and karma will take its course.
You are smoking in my son's room.
What height of irresponsibility? Did you not hear that Tayo was implicated for a murder he didn't commit?
Of course I did. And I already expressed my concern. How is he? You don't fool me. You have something up your sleeves. You are up to something, aren't you? I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, please, drop the act and travesty and tell us exactly why you're here. You're most certainly behind this.
You stand here and accuse me of such a hideous crime? Wait, you actually think that I'm capable of taking someone's life and implicating my loved one for it? Yes. Is that how low you people think of me? Of course. I don't trust you. You are to be blamed for this tragedy. You are to be blamed for my son's ordeal. You, Whitney Bankole. You! This is sad. This is so sad. I can't take it. This is so sad.
Hey!
You are going to confess to me this very minute what your mission is in my son's house.
I have nothing to confess. You have everything to confess, you witch! Things got worse after you arrived at the scene.
Yes. Your presence brought us unfortunate circumstances. And it is not a coincidence. So you have to confess, otherwise... Otherwise nothing. I am tired of your incessant nagging and tantrums.
Hold up. Did you just raise your voice at her? You flea bag?
Okay, so what exactly are you going to do? What are you going to do? Hit me? Hit me.
Hit her.
Hit me!
Do it!
Oh, you can't.
I thought so. You lily-livered, chicken-hearted daughter of Jezebel.
Bro, this is a very tough one. And if these guys come back, I'm afraid things may even get worse. I mean, you may even end up going to jail. So what do we do now?
Who could be behind all this? I'm sleeping with my ex's sister and I've been sleeping with her while we were in a relationship. That's why we couldn't get married.
This alone could land you in jail.
How do you mean land me in jail? I mean it's consensual.
Never mind. While thinking.
Oh, okay. This is between us.
Bro, what's up now? What are you thinking? Wait, don't tell me you're thinking of turning yourself in or something.
I think I know who's behind all this.
Who is he?
Leo.
Leo. That guy, what does he stand to gain? Wait, that's true. It was the only one not at the dinner something.
He's the only one who knew about my affair with Scarlett.
You were having an affair with...
Shh. And so Tenny sends me a message to come over, that she's gonna commit suicide in the next few minutes if I don't show up.
Whoa.
Leo knew if they found out, I'll be roped deep into this. Maybe he's not our cousin after all.
Come back here. You're going nowhere. Tell me what your mission is in my son's life. Answer me! Fine!
I am back. I am back to take back what is mine. What is rightfully mine.
What did you say?
You heard all right.
Leo. What's the meaning of this? And what is this partnership about?
Leo, I want you to tell me nothing but the truth. Leo, you framed me up. No wonder you persisted to know my weak point so you could use it against me.
Tayo, I don't understand. Why are you accusing him?
Because all evidence leads to him being the mastermind of all this. Yes. That's the same reason he was away at the dinner the exact time everything was happening.
Leo, you set me up. You did set me up. You're behind all this, Leo!
It seems the two of them know a great deal of things that we don't.
Hey, quiet. Whitney knows nothing about this. Leo, you set me up. You better start talking. Confess, Leo!
Of course it was me. I did it because I wanted to get a pound of my flesh. Because it was my consolation prize. And I did it because I want to see you rot behind bars.
Leo! So, this is why you came lying. That you're related to my husband's late cousin that died in a fire accident. All to get at my son? Why? What did we do?
What did I ever do to deserve this? So you're the enemy within!
It's not the enemy within.
Whitney!
And I'll advise you to stay right where you are, else I'll blow your brains out.
No.
Get on your knees.
No.
On your knees, I said!
No, what is this? Oh.
Stay right there, Tayo. And that includes you down.
You all wanted to know the truth. I'll help refresh your memory.
Dear Remy, I write you this letter that in years to come you would come to know the truth. Perhaps after taking a long walk to the truth, you will find out that life was unjust and unfair to your mother, Betty. That life was snatched away from her by the one that was supposed to protect her. She was killed, right in my eyes. My hands were tied and there was nothing I could do. Your tears ran like an ocean as I was sent out in that middle of the night with you and your little brother Tommy in my arms. I was mistreated, and the two of you were snatched away from my arms. There was nothing I could do. I hope life treats you well. Please forgive me. Yours sincerely, Nana.
She didn't deserve to die. They killed her.
You're right about that. And all that were involved would pay dearly for it.
From this moment, our past ceases to exist.
Can we really erase our past?
Yes, we can. Our past begins now. From this moment. My name is Whitney, and you are Leo.
What are we going to do?
We'll do a research on them. We'll find out and learn everything about them. And when we do, we will strike.
Leo, so you are an imposter.
So you both planned this.
This must be a dream.
You connived with each other to destroy my family.
This must be a freaking dream.
A dream, you say? This is reality. Why don't you tell everyone that you were sleeping with Jasmine every other night? And you, isn't that the big secret you wanted to share with everyone? That you are pregnant for Kunle? Answer me!
Why? I'm pregnant, I'm telling you.
Come on, it doesn't matter. See, that baby in there, it's mine, okay? And trust me, we can even have more babies.
Shut up.
Why do you forget about her?
No,
He
stop.
doesn't love you, right? Love
Stop. Stop.
Look at me. Kaya doesn't love you. I love you.
Do?
Okay, yeah, I do.
It's a lie. Don't believe him. I'm pregnant, yes, but my child belongs to Tayo.
So, this pregnancy belongs to Kunle.
Mom, no, don't believe this guy. He's just an intruder. They want to spoil this family. They want to separate this family.
Just shut up there. How dare you sleep with your brother's wife today?
What? Bros, what? I wasn't gonna get married to her, so I couldn't care less. all I care, you could sleep with a horse or a goat. I don't freaking care. What I don't understand is who are you? What's the connection?
He is my brother.
What?
Yes. We are in this together. To give you. You. A taste of your own medicine.
I'm calling the police.
Oh, you would do no such thing. Because no one is getting out of here alive.
Give me your phone.
Let's play. Take the...
Hand the
Give me your phone!
What a wicked, wicked world, Bimbo. For a woman with the cold and petrifying heart. You killed your husband because of your unending and grasping desires. Or would you deny that you were sleeping with your son's best friend on your own matrimonial bed?
What? Mom, how?
Okay. You know I love you so much. Please don't leave me.
You know I love you right back. And I will never leave you. So tell me, am I better than that look of wood you call a husband?
Oh my word. Of course you're the best. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. Okay? You brought me back to life. I don't want you to ever leave me because it's going to hurt me so much.
As long as you keep sharing your husband's wealth with me, I'm in this with you for life.
Of course I will. I'm going to do anything for you. Whatever you want. As long as you remain a good boy.
Of course I'm a good boy.
Disguising that he's like your son. I became sorely vexed as rage took over my soul. How could a woman be so desperate to kill her own husband? Then I killed him. Yes, I killed him, and that was the greatest moment of my life.
No. I don't know what she's talking about. No.
Mom, so you had a hand in Dad's death?
No.
Listen, I want to know who you are and why have you chosen to wreck us?
Ah, Tayo. What were you thinking? Meeting me at Club 21? Did you honestly think that was coincidence?
Listen, I demand to know who you are. Taking an innocent man's life for a sin he committed doesn't affect you in any way.
Do you honestly still don't remember who I am?
I don't know who you are. Please just leave us alone. Please, I beg you.
Please tell her what you know already so she can save us. She'll kill us.
Please.
She
What?
will kill us.
Who is she? Who the hell is she? Who the hell are they?
I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea what she's talking about.
You don't know. Okay. I will tell you all a little story. Hey, Neil, I didn't ask you to sit. Good. All right, story time.
Many years ago, a young boy and a little girl were taken away from their mother because their mother's life was cut short. She begged and she cried, but compassion was far away from her because a certain woman decided to play God. What was her crime? She trusted you. She took you into her matrimonial home. But what did you do? You went behind her back and slept with her husband. A few days later, you killed her only son. And then you decided to get pregnant with your golden child, Tayo. Not too long after that, our mother had me and Leo. Still, got pregnant with your second son, Kalu. While tarnishing our mother's image. We were young. We were just infants. Voiceless and defenseless when our father would abandon us to go overseas with your kids and spend time with them. Of course, we had no relationship with them. We never knew they existed. All because of your greed. And then, our real nightmare began. You sent an assassin to kill Auntie Nana, and you told him that he should make sure he wiped us all off the surface of the earth.
But he didn't kill her. He let her live and warned her that if he ever set his eyes on her, he would kill her and make her disappear.
She left us with her friend. She couldn't tell her story, of course. So she left and never came back.
Then one day, she sent us that letter, explaining and telling us about our life history. And that is exactly what we are narrating now.
Life became so miserable and unbearable for us as we were left in the cruel hands of strangers. After Auntie Nana's friend's husband tried to rape me when I was 10. When I was only 10 years old. I ran. I took off into the streets and it became my solace. I had to fend for me and my brother. I did anything, everything that I could to survive. Armed robbery, prostitution, you name it, I did it. I had to because I had a brother to take care of. But I survived. Even though I
I lost my womb. Life was so unfair to me. Well, you and your kids were living la vida loca on my father's wealth. You want to know the reason why I killed Case? Oh yes, I killed him. You know why? I hated the memory of my father, but I couldn't bear the thought of you cheating on him. I still crave for my father's love. I yearned for his love.
No. Mom, you did all of this?
So we had other siblings and you and Dad never let us know?
Whitney, I'm sorry.
He says he's sorry. What did she ever do? What did she ever do? What on earth was my mother's crime? Tell me! I said tell me! Because she took everything from me. She took all the affections. She was the light of every party. What reason have I not to hate her? What? What?
That is why you took her husband from her and made him yours. You even went ahead to kill her just because of your desperate and avaricious desires.
Tayo, I didn't tell you about them because I thought they were dead. You know what? I never regretted anything I did to you. Yes. Because looking at you now, I now know the reason why I resented you so much. You are Remy. That little girl. And you are Tony. Betty's children. I would have killed you. You deserve to die. You're too wicked. You are evil. You are wicked.
My waist.
You're wicked.
My waist.
You are evil.
Okay, I think something is...
Nobody is going anywhere. We need to help her. We need to help her.
You? Oh, you say right there. You lily-livered, chicken-hearted daughter of Jezebel. Oops!
Enough!
Oh my God.
We are all victims of our mother's lies. But you're seeing this with a bad light. Okay? And I don't want you to. Listen, this is simple. We'll call the police. And if Mom is found guilty, she goes to jail. And everybody's fine. Okay?
No one is calling anybody. And do not come any closer, Tayo. I will pull the trigger.
Bro.
Don't come any closer.
Bro, step back.
I will pull the trigger.
Bro, step back.
Tayo, go back.
Stay where you are.
What have you done? What have you done? Kule! What have you done? No! What have you done with me? You've killed my son. Kule, you killed him!
have you done? Why you killed my
How
son?
does it feel? How does it feel to watch the life seep away from your son? I killed him. Oh yes, I killed him.
Stay away.
Stop.
Do it! Do it!
He wants to die.
Please.
Should I kill him?
Please, I'm begging you, please. Forgive me. Forgive me.
You say you've been hurt before, right? You've been hurt before. But you're doing the exact same thing that was done to you. And what are you thinking? That you're gonna be happy in the end? That you're gonna find fulfillment? No! You will leave emptier.
You know what? I don't think so.
Remember, blood?
Oh, shut up! You are not my brother. Step back. Step.
Please. You killed my son! What have you done? What have you done? You killed my son! You killed my son!
What have you done? What have you done? If you know the gravity of what you've done, you will suggest to leave right now.
We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere until she is 6 foot down.
How can you be this cruel and heartless?
How dare you? How dare you speak to me like that? Is this how you repay me? For everything that I have done for you? All the sacrifices I have made? Is that how you repay me?
You don't get it. We've already inflicted enough harm on them. We have to leave. We have to leave now.
We are going nowhere. She has to pay. She has to pay.
But then you have to count me out of your desperate plans of revenge. Count me out. I am no longer interested.
What did you say?
You heard me right. I am no longer interested in your bitter, twisted reprisal. Count me out.
I'm so sorry, Kule. Please forgive me. I brought this up. I know you want to see me broken. I know you want to see me bowing at your feet and pleading for your mercy. Because there is no amount of death that will appease your conscience. For what I did to your mother, who I betrayed. You shouldn't have killed my children. You should have killed me instead, Whitney. You should have spared my children their innocence.
Don't you dare talk to me about innocence. Little Remy and Tony were innocent. But yet you went ahead and you killed our mother.
Please.
It is an eye for an eye. Mrs. Ikoko, I sentence you to death.
What have you done again?
It is finished.
This is the police, open up! This is the police, open up!